Okay. We're in session in County Court at Law Number 2, Jefferson County, Texas, arraignment docket, which was set at 9 a.m. on today's date of November 9th of 2021. First case we're calling is cause number 326354. Case is style of State of Texas versus Samantha Nicole Jones. Samantha Jones was scheduled to be in court this morning for the court's docket at 9 a.m. At about 9 a.m., the court's bailiff called Samantha Jones' name at the courthouse door. Samantha Jones did not answer. Samantha Jones did not appear in court while the court was in session. The time now is 12:37 p.m. 12:37 p.m. on today's date. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Samantha Jones?
Samantha Jones.
Okay, Samantha Jones' name was just called by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door. Samantha Jones did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Ms. Jones an opportunity to appear in court. She has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
The state would request a bond forfeiture.
That motion will be granted. Warrant shall be issued for the arrest of Samantha Jones in cause number 326354, and a bond shall be forfeited. Court is now in session in cause number 328924. The State of Texas versus Roberta Davila. Roberta Davila was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. for the court's arraignment docket. At or about 9 a.m., the court's bailiff at the courthouse door called his name, and Mr. Davila did not answer. Mr. Davila has not appeared in court while the court's been in session. The time now is 12:38 p.m. on today's date. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Roberta Davila? Roberta Davila's name was just called by the court's bailiff. Roberta Davila did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Davila an opportunity to appear in court. He has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
Yes, Your Honor, the state would request a bond forfeiture.
That motion will be granted in cause number 328924, and a warrant shall be issued for the arrest of Roberto Davila, and his bond shall be forfeited. Court is now in session in cause number 329414, State of Texas versus Stephen Wayne Frisbee. Stephen Wayne Frisbee was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. for the court's arraignment docket. At or about 9 a.m., the court's bailiff called Stephen Frisbee's name at the courthouse door. Stephen Frisbee did not answer, and Stephen Frisbee has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. The time now is 12:39 p.m. on today's date. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Stephen Frisbee?
Stephen Frisbee. No response.
Stephen Frisbee's name was just called at the courthouse door by the court's bailiff. Stephen Frisbee did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Frisbee an opportunity to appear in court. He has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
Yes, Your Honor, the state would request a bond forfeiture.
That motion will be granted in cause number 329414. Warrant shall be issued for arrest of Stephen Frisbee, and his bond shall be forfeited. We're now in session in cause number 330158. The case is style of State of Texas versus Anthony Clark. Anthony Clark was scheduled to be in court this morning at 9 a.m. For the court's arraignment docket. At or about 9 a.m., the court's bailiff called his name at the courthouse door. Anthony Clark did not answer. Anthony Clark has not appeared in court since the court's been in session. The time now is 12:40 p.m. on today's date. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Anthony Clark?
Anthony Clark. No response.
Anthony Clark's name was just called again by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door. Anthony Clark did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Mr. Clark an opportunity to appear in court. He has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
The state would request a bond forfeiture.
That motion will be granted in cause number 320158. A warrant shall be issued for the arrest of Anthony Clark. His bond shall be forfeited. Court is now in session in cause number 330804. This case is style of State of Texas versus Kayana Lentries Simon. Kayana Simon was scheduled to be in court for the court's arraignment docket at 9 a.m. At or about 9 a.m., the bailiff called Kenyatta's Simon's name at the courthouse door. Kenyatta Simon did not answer. Kenyatta Simon has not appeared in court since the court has been in session. The time now is 12:41 PM on today's date. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Kenyatta Simon?
Kiana Simon. No response.
Kenyatta Simon's name was just called again by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door. Kenyatta Simon did not answer. A reasonable time has passed to give Ms. Simon an opportunity to appear in court. She has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
The state would request a bond forfeiture, Your Honor.
That motion will be granted in cause number 330-804. Warrant shall be issued for arrest of Kenyatta Simon and the bond shall be forfeited. The court is now in session in cause number 330-814. The case is styled as the state of Texas versus Leanna May Jeter. Miss Leanna Jeter was scheduled to be in court for the court's arraignment docket, which was scheduled at 9 AM on today's date of November 9th of 2021. Leanna Jeter's name was called at the courthouse door by the court's bailiff, and Miss Leanna Jeter did not answer. A reasonable time had, the time now is 12:42 PM on today's date. Miss Leanna Jeter has not appeared in court since the court's been in session. Mr. Bailiff, would you please call the name of Leanna Jeter?
Kiana Jeter. No response.
Okay, Leanna Jeter's name was just called by the court's bailiff at the courthouse door. Leanna Jeter did not respond. A reasonable time has passed to give Ms. Jeter an opportunity to appear in court. She has not appeared in court. State, do you have a motion?
The state would request a bond forfeiture, Your Honor.
That motion will be granted. Warrant shall be issued for arrest of Leanna Jeter in cause number 330-814, and a warrant shall be issued for her arrest. This will conclude the calling of County Court at Law number 2, Jefferson County, Texas, arraignment docket, which is scheduled at 9 AM on today's date of 11/09, the date of November 9th of 2021. Judge Terrence Holmes presiding.